3, 2, 1.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Novia Magfirah. I'm student in Semarang State University, major in Geography. On this occasion, we will talk about geography. What is geography? According to Michelle Williams, 1976, geography is the study of man and his environment from selected point of view, yet natural science, economic, history, the study of local condition, as regard industry or agriculture might to also cite to be concerned with environment. The reason I chose geography is because when I was in senior high school, I majored in mathematics and natural science. So I'm curious about this very wide world and want to know more about natural phenomena that we often encounter in everyday life. The natural phenomenon that is currently being discussed is climate change. Before we get to know more about climate change, let's we know what the definition of climate. Climate is an average measure of the variability of the relevant quantities of certain variables such as temperature, precipitation, and wind. Climate change is a natural phenomenon that occurs at a certain period, a relatively long time. Climate change can occur due to several factors including global warming, greenhouse effect, ozone damage, forest function damage, industrial exhaust gas. Climate change is very influential in human life. The impact of climate change: 1. Cause significant weather change. We can all know that climate change also affect weather change, because change in wind direction that can affect the length of the rainy season and dry season. 2. Rising sea levels. This is due to climate change and rising temperature on Earth, which causes glaciers at the poles are melting and causes sea level rise. This sea level rise causes the land around the coast to slowly sink. Report from the World Economic Forum in CNN Indonesia, Jakarta is the city with the most potential to sink. The ground level in Jakarta is decreasing by 6.7 inches every year. 3. The occurrence of storms such as hurricanes La Nina and El Nino. What is La Nina? La Nina is a natural phenomenon in which sea surface temperature in the Central Pacific Ocean drop to become colder than usual. El Nino is the opposite of La Nina, where sea surface temperature in the Pacific Ocean so that Indonesian weather become colder and reduce rainfall. We as humans should always prepare the environment in order to reduce the impact of climate change, for example, using renewable and environmentally friendly energy sources in order to reduce emission of harmful exhaust gases, and carry out forest plantation on a large scale. Okay, that's the explanation of climate change. Thank you for watching and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.